Yes, today we are going to learn literacy skill sheet. Yes, in that, what is our topic? Our topic is sound of I. We have already learned the sound of I in our previous video. Now today we will write. Okay, now today we will write sound of I. Okay. So are you all ready with your textbook? Have you all taken up your pencil in your hand? Yes. Now you all have to trace. Okay? आप सबको मेम के साथ trace करना है. Trace the given words with similar sounds. I के जो sound है उसको हमें trace करते हुए लिखना है. Okay? So first here HID head. पहले बोलो मैम के साथ. HID head. Then here RID rid. Repeat RID rid. Abhi now we will trace RID. RID क्या हुआ students? Rid. RID rid. RID read. Yes, then LID lead. मैम के साथ बोलो LID lead. Now we will write LID lead. LID lead. Then next one here BIT bit. Repeat BIT bit. Now we will trace BIT bit. BIT bit. Yes. In the next line DIM dim. DIM dim. Here R. Then I am rim. R I am rim. R I am rim. Yes. Here next one S I am sim. S I am sim. Once again S I am sim. Yes. Here next one is H I am him. H I am him. In the next line MIX mix. MIX mix. So here F I X fix. F I X fix. Next one S I X six. S I X six. Then next one is P I X pigs. P I X pigs. Now the last line ILL ill. ILL ill. Yes. Here H I double L. H I double L. Hill. Here B I double L. Okay students. B I double L. Yes. And the last one W I double L. W I double L. So we all have So you all have to complete this page in your homework. Okay, beta. Till then, you have to take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. God bless you, everyone. Bye.